Good morning. Are you William Bonilla? Good morning. This is, good morning, Mr. Rojas. Clause numbers 25 DCCR 0719 and 25 DCCR 0174. And what is the announcement?
Yes, I think our plan is to enter pleas to the motion, come back to the punishment hearing, and then after that, we'll see what happens with the felon defendant case.
Oh, okay. One of them's, are
One of
they?
the motion, it's a motion to revoke on a misdemeanor. EWI.
So, and so what are you guys gonna do with the new case?
The motion's based on the new case, so depending on what you do with the motion, I think eventually we're gonna plead it, but I want to see what happens punishment wise on the motion before we do that.
Mr. Bonilla, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
And thank you. Will your client waive the formal reading of the motion?
He will, Your Honor.
Mr. Bonilla, in clause number 25 BCCR 0174, I have a motion to revoke your community supervision. Shows that you were placed on probation April 14th of 2025 for the Class B misdemeanor of driving while intoxicated. That was a 180-day jail term that was probated for 15 months. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
It alleges that you violated your probation. Count one alleges that you committed the new offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle, May 10th of 2025. And is that true or not true?
Your Honor, before he answers, may I move to orally amend that count to read that the defendant committed the offense as opposed to was arrested for the offense, so that it lines up or matches the
Yeah, that's,
MPRP or the
thank you.
conditions.
No objection.
Okay. All right, so count one now alleges that you committed the offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle, May 10th of 2025. Is that true or not true?
Not true.
So we're gonna have to come have a hearing with,
It's just a matter of you watching the video, that is all. But yes.
I mean, you'll have to have an officer come to
Yes,
prove it
yeah.
up. Have y'all watched the video?
I have.
Okay,
We have, yes, yes. ma'am.
okay. Count two alleges that you failed to immediately report to the probation officer that arrest from May 10th of 2025. And is that true or not true?
It's true.
Should you enter your plea of true to count two freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
And because count two is actually true. All right, then I'm going to find that you entered your plea of true to count two freely and voluntarily.
This is a crucial courtroom moment. Even though the defendant admitted to failing to report the arrest, the judge makes it clear that one violation alone is enough to move toward revoking probation. But count one, the new alleged offense involving evading police, is still being contested. Now the big question becomes, if the video evidence is as strong as everyone suggests, should the defense fight it or focus entirely on minimizing the punishment? Let me know what you think in the comments.
That's TRN sound. All right, sir, you Guadalupe Reyes?
Yes.
This is 25 DCCR 1422. This was the final reset, so there needs to either be plea papers or a rejection. What's the announcement?
I'll show him how to do the rejection. Or I think he was, go ahead, sorry. Judge, I'm gonna ask for another setting. I know it's in writing and you advised us there wouldn't be any more settings. Since the last setting we had, I've got an investigator. Met with my client a few times at the office. There's some things I'd like to look into before putting it in the trial docket. I don't know if you'll give us one more setting. I would ask for 30 days, just
So typically when I say final, it's final,
I
but this
understand.
is gonna be the last final.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you, Judge.
So this will be, truthfully, you've got to get everything taken care of
Yes,
for
ma'am.
that next court date. Make sure you stay in touch with your attorney. Y'all go over everything, whatever the state's offer is. Either you come back, you take that offer, or we put your case on the trial docket.
And he's done that about the office, but I think Judge, he's gotten on discovery. He did ask me this morning about an extension to have his investigator look at some things. I don't have a problem with that because he's taking
Okay.
care of everything else. Your Honor.
Perfect. All right.
Judge, and
We'll see.
Mr. Nichols has hold my hand about if I need to do a rejection,
Perfect.
how to use the tablets.
Okay, well, we'll get you taken care of next
Awesome.
time, but we'll see you then.
I
Take
appreciate
care.
it, Judge.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Nichols.
So